What's up, everyone? If you're on the hunt for an ultra-budget smartphone that still has some decent features, you'll want to stick around. Today we're checking out the Cricket Icon 2026, a phone that promises big value without draining your wallet. How about a phone that can run you $0 up front when you activate a new unlimited monthly plan? That's exactly how this one is listed. But of course we'll dig into what you're really getting, the good, the meh, and whether it's a smart pick. Design and display. The Icon 2026 comes in a steel gray finish, though currently noted as out of stock. It features a 6.6-inch HD Plus display with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. Nice to see in this tier. CricketWireless.com. Dimensions are approximately 6.55 inches by 3.00 inches by 0.35 inches, weighing about 7.09 ounces. CricketWireless.com. In short, a big enough screen for video, still manageable for one-hand use. Performance and storage. Under the hood, you've got a 2.4 GHz octa-core processor, and the listing shows 64 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD. Connectivity features include 5G, Wi-Fi AC, USB-C, Bluetooth 5.1, and NFC for tap-to-pay. CricketWireless.com. For day-to-day tasks, social media, streaming, and calls, this should cover you. Just don't expect heavy-duty gaming or ultra-fast app loads. Camera and battery. On the camera front, rear you've got a dual lens system, a 13-megapixel main lens plus a 2-megapixel macro lens. Front-facing, it's 8-megapixel, 8 megapixel for selfies. CricketWireless.com. Battery size is 5,000 mAh, solid for the price class. CricketWireless.com. Again, photo quality won't rival flagships, but for everyday snaps and sharing, it gets the job done. As warranty and extras. One perk worth noting, this phone is backed by Cricket's 2-year worry-free warranty, which is a nice bonus at this budget level. It also includes features like NFC payments and both physical SIM and eSIM support. Pricing and final thoughts. As mentioned earlier, the device is listed from $0 with the requirement of signing up for a new unlimited plan. CricketWireless.com. So if you're looking for a very low-cost entry into a smartphone with modern essentials, 5G, NFC, and a big screen, this might be a smart move. Keep in mind, you'll be trading off higher camera quality, fewer premium materials, and possibly slower performance compared to flagship phones. But for the value, it's compelling. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more phone and plan deep dives. Drop a comment below and let me know. Would you grab a phone like this for $0 if you were adding a line? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.